Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says that Mahmud bin Rabi said to me in Medina Munawwara, I met Hazrat Itban bin Malik radiyallahu anhu and said, I have heard a hadith reported by you. Tell it to me directly. Hazrat Itban radiyallahu anhu said, I got an eyesight problem, so I sent Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam a message. I yearn that you may come and perform prayer somewhere in my house, so that I must fix that place as a prayer place. Hazrat Itban radiyallahu anhu said, then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by some companions, came to my house, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam engaged in performing prayers, whereas the companions had a discussion with one another. During conversation, Malik bin Dukhsham was mentioned. The people whereupon declared him an arrogant and haughty, and expressed this longing that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam might invoke destruction for him. After completing the prayer, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked them, doesn't Malik bin Dukhsham testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and that I am Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The companions said, he says it orally, but it is not testified by his heart. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, whoso testifies that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and that I am Allah's Apostle, will neither enter paradise nor will hell consume him. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says that this hadith captured his liking, and he said to his son, pen it down. So he wrote that hadith. Sahih Muslim, hadith number 148.